Are from our colleagues from Trinidad and Tobago, and they're going to do a presentation on the water quality assessment of the Tumpana River.
Very pleasant good morning to all present here today. I'm Brandon Suku from Brazil High School, and here's my colleague Nicholas Francis. We're all from Trinidad and Tobago. Our project is based on the water quality of the Tumpana River. Our community is located in the watershed area of the Caroni River Dam, which produces 1/3 of the pipeline water supply to our entire country. Interestingly, our community has a poor supply of pipeline water, and villagers have some hardship in transporting water from off-lane areas to the community. For this reason, we have chosen to ask this research question. Is the quality of water in the Tumpana River of a sufficiently high standard to be safely used to enrich the quality of life of the villagers of Bass Village, an area where availability of pipeline water is a problem? In our research, we hope to see if this valuable research can be used to supply some of the water that had to be provided at some hardship to villagers, thus improving the quality of life of the villagers. We performed basic hydraulic tests at random points in the river during the period of November 2007 to February 2008. The average of these readings were then plotted graphically and then analyzed. We performed tests for water temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen content, nitrates, nitrite, turbidity, density, and total alkalinity. Based on the whole survey which we did before the actual hydraulic test, it was found that the villagers believe water in the Tumpana River to be highly polluted. We have found that the water quality of this is sufficiently high standard for the villagers to use for washing, bathing, washing crops, etc. From the graphs, you can see that the parameters, from the graphs you can see that the parameters are well within reasonable levels except at sample points 1 and 2, where construction of a bridge may be responsible for this difference. We hope to follow up with the further tests later on. Our present project has attended some media attention back at home. We believe that this research will have a significant impact on the quality of life of the villagers. Do you have any questions?
No questions, anybody? No.
I'm on. Jeez, I get it so many minutes. Anyway, again, thank you. I'm excited about all of these projects. I saw that in the beginning you did a lot of measurements of the slope. Or of the channel itself?
Yeah.
Did you get the configuration of the channel? What were you doing with those measurements, taking tape measurements?
We were measuring the distance from where we started, and that's where we all sample points.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you took them at you took them at how many points?
5 points.
5 points.
Yeah.
And have you been collecting data at those 5 points
Yeah,
over time?
Yeah.
And for how long have you been collecting these data points? Or at least, how long have you been collecting data?
3 weeks straight, because during the construction, right, in sample 1, it was very high because probably from our own point of view, we think that it was probably cement that was probably the water that probably we had to raise up the rate.
So with the construction of the bridge, you did. I'm sorry, was there any change between water quality before and after the construction of the bridge?
Yeah, in sample 3, 4, and 5, it was neutral and 7.5. But in sample 1 and 2, that was closer to the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah, it was really high.
Okay, so this is and when they were building the bridge, were you the only people sampling?
Yeah, we do
So,
sample.
again, another wonderful example of how students at your schools can help with community efforts. Here a bridge was being built and they're monitoring before and after as to what impacts the bridge building is going to have on that water quality. It would be interesting to continue on to see if there's any longer term effects, because maybe it's changing how fast or where the water flows from the construction of the bridge. So you have more research to do. No, that's good.
Excellent, thank you. The presentation we've seen thus far is it's using science in the study of the quality of the environment, applied science. So you're learning about the environment, how the system works, how humans interact with that system and the impacts that humans have, and then how we can make decisions for long-term sustainability based upon the science that all of you are doing. This is remarkable research that can influence the future of the world. And I just want to acknowledge how powerful I think that is.